we will be making this 5-piece modular origami. And to do that, we will be needing a paper of 2 to 1. This. Start with the white side up and fold it in half. Open up and fold to the center. Leave a little bit of gap. Turn over and repeat. And make sure there is a small gap here. Now focus on this side. We want to make 2 diagonal folds. Like this. And like this. Open this up. And open this one as well. Now flip over up to down. Like this. We want to do 2 diagonal folds that goes like that. Open up and repeat the same. Unfold this one. Now flip over left to right. We want to fold this corner to this intersection here. Goes like that. Unfold this one and flip over again. Focus on this area. We want to do 2 small diagonal folds like that. Next, to be do a rabbit ear fold. This one should go like that, and the center should be close up. So it should go like that. And this one can be left or right. Flip over again left to right. Now fold this edge up, and it should reach the intersection here. Then following the line that we have here, just fold it in here, flip this over and fold in. This part we want to squash fold like this. And the diagonal fold that we have made earlier, we just want to reverse fold like this. Next, we want to make a diagonal fold. Let me zoom in first. A diagonal fold that goes along this edge here like this. So just go ahead and fold. And unfold this one. We want to reverse fold the diagonal that we have just made. So lift this up and lift the next layer, 2 layers like that, and reverse fold. Reverse fold, and this one should go underneath here like that. You will notice there's a small triangle, and this one should be mountain fold. Now fold the whole thing in half like that. For this flap, fold it down following the edge at the back. And for this flap, fold it up following the edge at the back. And we are almost there. Fold this one, make a triangular bisector like that. And so as this side. Now we just want to do squash fold, but not to squash everything. Put your fingers inside and squash it like that. So it forms a petal. Same as this part. Put your fingers to open it up but not to squash everything. This is the completed unit. I will show you the assembly. I will take this out first. The pocket is here, and the flap is this piece here, and we just want to insert it like that. And just go ahead and insert everything. And this is the 5th unit here, and the 5th one should go back to the 1st. You can flatten out the petals if it's in the way. Flatten it out first. And once everything is in, we want to squish everything like that. This is to tighten the folds. And once this is done, just go ahead and open up the petals again. And we have completed